guys, welcome to another new video on this channel. In this video, let's discuss about the game plan against Joe Root. The best English batsman at this point would be making a game plan for the Indian bowlers against best English batsman Joe Root. Joe Root has proved to be the pivotal screw of the wheel of the English batting lineup, and if there is no pivotal screw of a wheel, the wheel is sure to collapse, and that is why you need a game plan. The Indian bowlers need a game plan for Mr. Joe Root. They will have to get him very early, otherwise it would be a very difficult job to win this whole series from here on. Yes, India has a lead of 1-0, but again there are threats as well, and as I discussed in my last video, one of those threats is a particular player and his name is Joe Root. So let's start guys with this video with this game plan without wasting any more second, and please do stay tuned in this video with the last second of it. Now, talking of Joe Root, he's a very technically correct batsman. He plays those sweet drives on the front foot, is never hesitant to come on the front foot, and even if there are in a short deliveries applied to him, those bouncer traps nowadays, he plays those balls unlike Rohit Sharma. He plays those balls in the ground and not in the air, which Rohit Sharma does the best. Virat Kohli is also good puller, but again he is a kind of again Joe Root kind of a player, or you can say Joe Root is a kind of Virat Kohli like a player, who both of them plays those shots on the ground, and that's what makes the bowlers difficult to set any trap there on the square leg on fine leg region. That is why it is so difficult for any bowler, any bowling lineup in the whole world to get rid of these kind of quality batsmen. Now what to do? First of all, according to me, when Joe Root comes into the bat, he's a very busy batsman, and that's why his strike rate is very good. And you will see him whenever he comes into bat, suddenly he's on 30s, 40s, and in the half centuries goes past his half century, and then on a way to a big score. Now when he comes into bat, within those half an hours, those first half an hour would be a very critical time against Joe Root. The Indian pacers especially will have to bowl up very tight lines on the off stump, not much on the body, otherwise he will come down, he will just get round and just play those deliveries on the leg side on those easy singles. That cannot happen. Have to constantly bowl those deliveries from the good length area and then onto the way to the keeper, kind of a thing over the off stump, and suddenly sometimes those in swingers and tempt him to place those drives so that he gets those outside edges to the slip cordon or to the wicket keeper in the second innings of the second test match, all of us remember. And now sudden in swingers can also trouble him, but against quality batsmen, that is not enough. What you'll have to do, if he gets set now, if you go on bowling those tight lines, but after some time he is getting those runs through the third man or somewhere, he's driving very well, as he really does through the covers. His once in a while those deliveries would be driven, and though they will reach to the fence. Now I personally would love to go with 2 gullies. Even if there is 3 slips, I would personally love to go with 2 gullies with Joe Root, especially against the new ball. Now if he gets set? Now once he gets set, he takes up the ante to score runs. Whoever the batsman is on the other end, he takes up the ante to score runs. So I would say, set a defensive kind of approach against him. Don't get too much attacking mode. Keep a sweeper cover there, keep the deep point there. Even if you need an extra fielder there on the boundary, keep it there. Let him take those easy singles and keep him on the other end of the wicket, so that you make him hungry for playing those balls. Make him as much hungry as you can for playing those deliveries, for being at the striker's end. Now that what will do, once he comes on the strike, once in a while, he will go and play kind of a rusty shots, and if one of those shots takes the edge, it would be of course easy for the slip cordon again, the gully region, the wicket keeper again in form of Rishabh Pant. Now those are the kind of tactics you'll have to do against Joe Root, and even if he's on strike, bowl outside the off stump, be a bit of defensive. You'll have to do that. Make him leave the deliveries, and if he wants, let him go and take those deliveries. Let him go and play those deliveries. Let him throw his back towards the ball. Don't let the ball come towards him. Let him make to play his ball. Let him play the ball. Don't make him play. That's what I wanted to say. Now against the spinners, there's not much I can say about spinners, because Ravichandran Ashwin, it would be very difficult for the team management and Virat Kohli to take in Ravichandran Ashwin in any of those pacers' place, especially in pitch like that of Headingley. If it's Ravindra Jadeja, I don't think would have play a much of a role. He would do the Indian team would just need him to bowl in a correct line and length and keep him on the end he is on. Even if he is playing, don't make him let take those easy singles or score those boundaries. So that was all the game plan I had to discuss with you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. Please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, share it with your cricketing mates as well. Please do it. Hurry up, guys. And in these pandemic times, please guys, please do stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you guys.